Okay, so today is Sunday, June 7th, 2026. Um yeah, we got this week we got the pullback that we were looking for. Um Now we have to see tomorrow what is gonna happen. A really big pullback. It was like 4%. We basically lost in like one day. We lost like almost like a week, almost 2 weeks, right? Two weeks of gains. SPY also on IWN. Um, futures already open. Um, we're bouncing. We hold at 700 like right to the dot there in the after hours, and then now we bouncing. We have to see um how this gonna be tomorrow. Probably tomorrow I'm probably not gonna trade. If I trade something, it's probably gonna be day trades. I was thinking about shorting and just hold a little bit for during the day, but I mean everything like sucks so to the 50. I don't have any good setup that I'm looking for this week. The one that I like the most is AMD short. If we lose the 20 and we have so much space to the 50, so this is probably my favorite AMD short. But if we can easily, like, that was just one day, we can easily like bounce back and keep going. But so like tomorrow we have to see, and then we can also consolidate for like 1 or 2 weeks and then keep going up. But tomorrow I'm just gonna see, not gonna take any new long positions. If I take any longs, I'm not gonna hold it. The only long that I like a lot is this Ford. Been like 5 days straight on red. Just looking for like a mean reversion trade, probably like a bounce to like 15, 40, not that much. Just to the 10. It's probably my favorite long. So if the market can bounce, this is probably gonna be what I'm gonna be looking for, a bounce. Nvidia from the 52, if we can touch the 50, be looking for a bounce too. This MSTR, everybody's super bearish into this thing, but this thing is already like crazy extended to the downside. Even if they, see, I'm gonna see the yeah, even this is the short float. Even if this is the like all data, but this time was like 12% short. I mean, it's okay, but I mean, if this thing can bounce, it would like bounce heavy. So I'm looking for just for like a bounce, just like a trade bounce. I have a couple of flags that I be looking at. I'm not gonna probably not gonna buy anything. If I buy it again, I'm not gonna hold any new position overnight if they don't push. But this flag, this one looks good. This fear looks good too. And this Best Buy looks good too. Those are the only long flags that I'm looking for. If I buy it and they don't push, I'm not holding. Space, looking for a bounce too. We can start pushing this 450. I might buy some. AVG also in the short to the 200. I'm starting to look some small caps too. But yeah, this week not this. I mean, for Monday, I don't have any favorite those vlogs. If the market start bouncing, I might buy some, and if we push in the day, I can keep it. But I'm probably gonna sell half in the push and just keep like a really tiny position. Um, yeah, space and probably MSTR. I'm gonna be watching this one really close this week. On for space for the bounce trade. And my favorite AMD, if we can lose this one for the short, like this gap here, and then losing the 20 for the short, this one is the one that I might hold for a couple of days. Positions, I have a little bit of like flex and dog. They're probably gonna stop me out. If the market keep going down, they're probably gonna stop me out, but I'm just gonna leave them there until they stop me out. So I'm just gonna put the double a bit there. Yeah, everything's gonna be like that. I'm in the account. 11,141. Some point it was like almost 1,300, but I got stopped out of everything. Trade Sila this week positive 150. I close out the biggest trade of the year this day. I finally closed out almost 400. It's crazy when the risk was like thing was like 25 30, so it did like almost like what, like 10 13, almost 13 times 13 hour. Yeah, that was like HB. This one was the best trade of this year, like by far. I started buying it here. I bought here this breakout. I sold half in here, and then I keep the other half, and then I bought a little bit more of what I sold here. I bought here a little bit more, and then this one I sold a little bit in this day. I think one of these days. I sold here. No, actually I didn't sell in this. I sold here. Let me see if I can see the executions here. Yeah, so so this 40 was here. Then I sold on, so I sold, I think this probably was an accident. Probably sold it and buy it back. No, actually I'm looking at it. This is the other time was this. $30 here. Yeah, bought here 40 here. Sold the first 25 on the 6. 6 is here. So the first 25. They sold more on the 20. Sold more on the 14. Yeah, this gap up sold more. Then sold on the 29. This one here. And then sold the rest here. So yeah, I sold all the way here. Was the best trade of this year, like by far. It's carrying most of the profit. yeah, for this week, no, not really that much that I like. Mostly gonna be um just waiting to see if like we keep going down or if we consolidate and go keep going up or if we bounce. When I wanna see like 1 or 2 days, I leave Monday or Tuesday, not taking anything aggressive and see where we're going after all this rally. And then maybe we need a couple months to start going aggressive again. We're gonna keep trading. So I mean, that's it.